Alright, so to start off, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, best concealer literally ever. I am using the shade Fair Neutral, so I'm just going to put that all over my lid and then right above my eyebrows. And I'm just going to take this, oh, I look crazy. Oh my. I'm just going to take this beauty blender and blend that all in. And then I'm going to take some air-spun powder and just set that. Alright, so then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette and this brush. And if you guys want an updated eyebrow routine, like full in depth, then let me know. But right now I'm just going to quickly do them, so I will be right back. Now that I've done my eyebrows and I look completely crazy, we're going to start and get into the eyeshadow. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So bomb. Like, if you don't have it, you need it right now. Girl, you need it. Alright, so I'm going to start off by using this like medium-sized fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with these like lighter brown shades. I'm just going to kind of mix them and like just for like a base. And I'm not going to go down, I'm going to go kind of out since I am doing a cut crease. So then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to use this like purple color, and I'm just going to put that right in the crease. I'm going to take this bigger fluffy brush and I'm just going to take like a lighter shade and dust it over top of the purple. I'm just going to be using this one, like the light tan in the Morphe. Alright, so then I'm going to take that smaller fluffy brush again, going with this like maroon dark shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to put that in the crease as well, but a little bit lower than the purple. Alright, so after I do that, I'm going to go back in with the Tarte concealer and then this flat little concealer brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to take this light shade in the Morphe palette, just the same one that I used earlier, this light tan one. I'm just going to take that fluffy brush I used earlier and I'm just going to pat that all over. I'm just going to dip it in these two darkest shades in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to put it right above the cut crease. And then I'm just going to go back and reconceal any parts that I messed up a little bit. I'm going to take this like flat brush and I'm going to put the purple in the inner corner. So first I'm going to take like this light purple. And I'm going to go in with that little bit of darker purple. And then I'm going to go in with that maroon color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Then I'm going to be adding some eyeliner and I'm just going to use the NYX Matte. So now I'm just taking my Falsies Volume Express by Maybelline mascara and my eyelash curler, and I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and then apply my lashes. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye!